Amy Higgins and my informative speeches over hurricanes. According to the Creation and Communication of Hurricane Risk Information 2012, Katrina, Rita, and Ike are all hurricanes that have caused damage and have even killed thousands of people. From Hurricane 2015, the Gulf of Mexico's region of the Atlantic hurricane season runs between June 1st and through November 30th. Katrina first struck on the Gulf Coast on August 29th in 2005. When it was the first wave landfall, it was a Category 3 ranging from 100 to 130 miles per hour. The first hurricane was horrible during it, but the aftermath was the worst. There was massive flooding and caused several people to lose their homes and their families. Rita was formed on September 18, 2005, which is only a few months after Katrina. When it finally hit the Gulf of Mexico, it had wind speeds over 150 miles an hour, which is a Category 5. This hurricane had so much low pressure it was considered one of the worst hurricanes. On September 1st, 2008, Hurricane Ike became a tropical storm. By the 3rd of September, the hurricane had reached 115 miles, which is only several hours being considered a hurricane. Within several hours and days, the hurricane soon reached a Category 4 with wind speeds over 130 miles per hour. When the hurricane made its first landfall in Galveston on September 8th, it had slowed down to a Category 2 with wind speeds over 96 to 110 miles per hour, with only being one wind speed under a Category 3. A hurricane can be defined as an intense tropical storm that reaches over 74 miles an hour. In addition, from the article Hurricane 2015, it states that a hurricane is a collection of storms and clouds known as a tropical disturbance. A tropical disturbance is a significant amount of warm water winds coming together, forcing the air upward and outward, allowing the air to rise. Several amounts of humidity and last light winds outside of the hurricane shear. After these items start, then it produces a hurricane. To understand a hurricane, you must know the anatomy of one. There are three parts to a hurricane: the eye wall, and the spiral ray band. The eye is found in the middle of the hurricane. The size and diameter ranges from 20 to 50 miles per kilometer. In the eye, you typically see clear skies, light winds, and low pressure readings. Next, you have the eye wall. It is a ring of cumulus clouds, and then this is where the heaviest rain and the wind speeds are formed. Finally, you have the spiral ray bands, which are heavy showers that spiral in and towards the eye of the storm. Category 1, more than 28.94 central pressure, 74 to 95 miles per hour, and it is considered a minimal category. Category 2, which is 28.5 to 28.9 inches in central pressure, 196 to 110 miles per hour, which is considered a moderate hurricane. Category 3, which is 27.91 through 28.47 inches of central pressure, 111 to 130 miles per hour winds, and it's considered an extensive hurricane. Category 4, which is 27.17 through 27.88 inches of central pressure, 131 through 155 miles per hour, is considered an extreme hurricane. Category 5, less than 27.17 inches of central pressure, more than 150 miles per hour, and it's considered a catastrophic hurricane. Once the hurricane has formed, it can cause massive waves to hit the shore when near the storm, heavy floods, heavy rain, and lots of death and casualties, and lots of damage. A hurricane can be extremely dangerous, and if you are faced with one, you should know what to do. According to Gavin in 2009, don't wait until the last minute to evacuate because you're putting everyone at risk, including yourself. If you wait, make sure that you have a safe place to take cover in your room and area without windows and several fire hazards. Make sure all the doors and windows are closed. Make sure all electronics and fire safety are off. Restock food and water, obey the neighborhood safety laws, and most importantly, have a generator. Everyone should know the information about a hurricane and what it does, so you can best prepare for a safe ending hurricane.